Yeah, today's the day, y'all. As you guys can see, shout out to Shock Tech Automotive. You know, about to put the shocks on her. It's in due time because these things are bad. See that? Look at that. Those things look horrible. Also, I'm gonna make the attempt of changing my brake pads. Shouldn't be that hard, but let's start lifting the truck and get everything situated. All right, got to this stage right here. As you guys can see, crusty. These are bad. These are very, very bad. I need to get the bushings inside here for fixed as well. Look at the play. Look at all that play right there. There's no rubber. So upper control arm bushings. That's gonna come with it. Looks like over here is leaking. Oh, my boot. Looks like the boot right there is leaking. Get my bushings for my I want to take this off and spray it again. Alright, but in the meantime, right, this right here, my best friend, I love this thing. All rust. It eliminates, it makes everything so much easier when it comes to stubborn bolts you can't get. But I just wanted to pick up the camera and show you guys what I'm doing so far. These ones right here probably gonna be hard to get, but I'll try my best. Got there, underneath there. Make sure I don't get my face up. But yeah. Let that soak in. Once that soaks in, we're gonna get to the shocks. But let's open this package. You know, I know what it is, but let's see what it looks like. Give me a second. Got that out of my hand. Yeah. Let's see what it looked like. Alright, let me get a knife. Still in here? Need a knife. Just cut this real quick. See what this looks like. No, even though it's not what I have planned, because eventually I do plan on lowering this truck 6 inches in the back, 5 in the front. I think that's gonna look pretty tasteful. Shouldn't be that bad, but here we go. See what these look like. Okay. All right, pretty simple, pretty standard, straightforward. I'm not sure if it's like right to left, left to right. I'm pretty sure if it is, they'll label it, but let me go ahead, get those ones off right there, and then we're gonna tackle these ones right here. Well, as you guys can tell, I didn't get nothing done. Oh my gosh, yo, look, let me just explain everything to you guys. So I have all bolts, everyone off, every last one. The 3 up there, right, which took freaking forever because there's like rusted all. This guy never changed, I guess, the suspension. Oh, I just noticed the greasable, wicked. And this one freaking bolt right there snapped off, and I don't have anything to clamp on into it. To this top piece right there just keeps on spinning. All right, so there's a bolt on the bottom which holds the top right there, just like this. But where's the other piece? As you guys see, this is a mess. Where is it? So this is what it looks like, right? So the bolt goes up and through, right? This piece right here, those 2 tabs snapped on that side, so this piece just keeps on spinning, and I'm frustrated. It's getting me pissed, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I tried it again. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the brake pads right now. Tomorrow I'll head over to my guy Nick and see if he can help me out just to get those bolts out, man, because I need to get some power tools. That's what I need. My machine over there broke. I have to get a new motor for it. I've just been very lazy, but I need to get this stuff done. It got me defeated today. I got real frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. You guys probably would have been laughing at me, my cussing and all this stuff. I even cut myself, but it is what it is, part of the game. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the brake pads real quick. It should be very simple, nothing too hard. Hopefully, cross my fingers. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done and we'll pick up this video tomorrow. Yep, I made it. I surrender, yo, I surrender. Only because I don't have all the proper tools, but job is done on the Denali, my Denali. Suspension is fixed, at least the springs and shocks. I gotta get upper and lower control arms. Right now I'm at the local car wash. It's getting cold, so I ain't doing the car washes myself. It's getting a little chilly out here in Canada. But yeah, here she is. Looking mad dirty. I don't know if you guys can see in there. You see that? Brand new. Brand new. But yeah, I gotta get some new tools. That's what I need to do. I gotta get some power tools like that. Make the job a lot easier. That way I'm not stressing. Let me get this car wash done though.